Tired of constantly battling pet hair around the house? Let smart technology handle the mess for you. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best robot vacuums for pet hair in 2025, each selected for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and pet-friendly features that make cleaning a breeze. For the latest pricing and more details on each model, check the links in the description below. All right, let's get started.
Number 1. Shark Robot Vacuum. For those seeking a hands-off, powerful clean, this robotic vacuum makes everyday chores feel like a thing of the past. Designed with incredible suction power, it effectively removes dust, debris, and even stubborn dirt from all floor types, including carpets, tiles, and hardwood, ensuring your home looks spotless with every pass. Thanks to Matrix Clean technology, this robot doesn't miss a beat, navigating your space in a precise grid pattern to make multiple passes over dirt and messes for deeper, more comprehensive cleaning. One of its most standout features is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt. Unlike many robots on the market, this one has a bagless base, eliminating the need for costly replacement bags and offering a more budget-friendly solution over time. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpet fibers and grips onto hardwood surfaces to lift hair and debris efficiently. Great news for pet owners. It also tackles the common issue of tangled pet hair, keeping maintenance low. Equipped with 360 degrees LiDAR vision, it accurately maps your home and adapts its cleaning pattern even as furniture shifts, ensuring no area is left untouched. Whether it's day or night, the robot can navigate seamlessly, dodging obstacles and delivering consistent performance. With app and voice control, users can start a cleaning session from anywhere or simply use their voice through compatible smart home systems. Number 2. iRobot Robot Vacuum. Packed with smart features and intuitive operation, this robot vacuum is ideal for anyone looking for a fuss-free way to keep floors spotless. Its efficient 3-stage cleaning system delivers 3 powerful suction levels to effectively tackle dust, dirt, and debris across both carpet and hard flooring. What sets this vacuum apart is its smart navigation system that moves in straight, methodical lines rather than random patterns. This ensures more thorough coverage and eliminates the frustration of missed spots. Built-in sensors allow it to navigate around furniture and avoid falls down stairs, making it perfect for multi-room homes and spaces with varying elevations. It's impressively easy to get started. Right out of the box, setup is quick and straightforward. Within minutes, your robot is ready to start cleaning, freeing up your time for more important things. The iRobot Home app provides users with thoughtful features like cleaning while you're away, suggested cleaning schedules, and clean map reports, so you can see exactly where the vacuum has been. The sleek, low-profile design enables it to slip easily under beds and sofas, tackling hidden dust without you having to move heavy furniture. The edge sweeping brush is a helpful addition, specifically targeting corners and baseboards that often go untouched. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock for recharging. No human intervention needed. Its ability to run up to 120 minutes per charge means it can clean larger areas in one session, making it an efficient solution for busy households. Number 3. Eufy Robot Vacuum. Engineered for high performance and convenience, this robot vacuum is a standout option for hands-free, daily floor maintenance. Its powerful 5,000 pascal suction makes quick work of pet hair, crumbs, and embedded dust in a single pass. Thanks to its self-emptying system, you can go up to 60 days without touching the dust bin, as it deposits debris into a spacious 2.5-liter bag inside the base station. This is particularly convenient for pet owners or households with heavy foot traffic. The L60 model utilizes iPath laser navigation, employing advanced LiDAR technology to map out rooms and determine the most efficient cleaning routes. It maneuvers around furniture and obstacles with ease while delivering a consistent, methodical clean. The AI Map 2.0 system adds another layer of customization by allowing you to choose which rooms to clean, set no-go zones, and even support multi-floor mapping. Great for homes with more than one level. Maintenance is a breeze, especially with its built-in hair detangling technology. This feature automatically cuts through hair that wraps around the brush roller, a common frustration with robot vacuums. With all these features combined, it's clear that this vacuum was designed with user convenience in mind. The companion app gives users total control, whether scheduling cleanings or adjusting settings from anywhere. Its efficiency and thoughtful technology make it one of the more advanced options in its class. Number 4. Shark Robot Vacuum. Blending robust performance with intelligent features. This robot vacuum is built to make home maintenance more efficient and less stressful. The powerful suction is effective on a wide range of floor types, effortlessly handling stubborn messes, dust, and pet hair. With matrix clean navigation, it doesn't just randomly roam. It moves in a precise grid pattern to ensure every inch of the floor is covered with multiple cleaning passes. The real highlight is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days worth of debris. It's bagless, cutting out the need for costly replacements, and the integrated HEPA filtration system captures up to 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. An excellent feature for allergy sufferers. Precision mapping is powered by 360 degrees LiDAR vision, helping the robot learn your home's layout and navigate confidently around furniture, even in low-light conditions. As your living space changes over time, the vacuum adapts in real time, always delivering optimized cleaning paths. It's also a dream for pet owners. The self-cleaning brush roll pulls in pet hair and debris without getting tangled, and the high-efficiency filtration system ensures allergens and dander are trapped and not recirculated. Smart home integration lets you control the vacuum through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it easy to schedule or start cleanings with simple voice commands. Number 5. MAMV Robot Vacuum. Versatile and highly functional, this 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify home cleaning. With both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, it handles dry debris and wet messes at once, which makes it perfect for households with kids, pets, or high-foot traffic. The device can be easily managed through the Tuya Smart app or the included remote control. Whether you're adjusting the suction strength, changing the cleaning mode, or scheduling a session, control is always at your fingertips. Voice command compatibility with Google Assistant adds to the convenience, enabling fully hands-free operation. The 2,600 mAh battery provides up to 180 minutes of runtime in quiet mode and covers up to 1,937 square feet in a single charge. When the battery is low or the job is done, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock, always staying ready for the next clean. It offers 4 cleaning modes: auto, zigzag, spot, and edge, to tackle different types of messes with precision. Equipped with 15 smart infrared sensors, it navigates intelligently to avoid bumping into furniture, falling downstairs, or getting stuck. Its slim 2.9-inch profile helps it slide easily under furniture, and its 15 degrees climbing ability allows it to transition over thresholds and onto rugs effortlessly. With a powerful 2,000 pascals brushless motor, this vacuum delivers strong suction while operating quietly. The dual-side brushes ensure corners and baseboards are cleaned thoroughly. Its anti-tangle design is another plus, by using a unique air intake system.
And that wraps up our list of the top 5 robot vacuums for pet hair in 2025. Which one do you think would keep your home fur-free? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next Tech Roundup. All product links are in the description. Check them out for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.